Pixel phones have always had a unique identity, clean Android experience, smart AI features, and a camera system that consistently impresses. Over time, Pixel devices have evolved into strong competitors, but there has always been one major weakness stopping them from reaching the very top. That weakness is performance. And now, all eyes are on the Pixel 11. The Pixel 11 could finally be the device that fixes everything holding Pixel phones back. For years, users have compared Pixel devices with flagship phones from Apple and Samsung, and one thing has always stood out: Pixel phones just couldn't match their speed and efficiency. The Pixel 11 is expected to change that story. The biggest reason behind this gap has been Google's custom Tensor chips. When Google introduced its own silicon, it was meant to give Pixel devices a competitive edge. The goal was simple: better integration, smarter AI, and more control over performance. But things didn't go exactly as planned. Earlier Tensor chips struggled with overheating, weaker battery life, and performance issues under heavy usage. While Pixel phones delivered amazing AI features and camera results, they often fell behind when it came to raw power. That's why the Pixel 11 is so important. The Pixel 11 is expected to bring a completely new approach with the Tensor G6 chip. This could be the upgrade that finally allows the Pixel 11 to compete directly with the best flagship smartphones in the world. Reports suggest that the Pixel 11 will feature a redesigned 7-core architecture. This is a big shift from previous designs and shows that Google is focusing more on performance and efficiency this time. The Pixel 11 could deliver significantly higher clock speeds as well. The main core is rumored to go beyond 4.1 GHz, while the mid-cores and efficiency cores are also getting major boosts. This means the Pixel 11 could finally handle heavy tasks, gaming, and multitasking without slowing down. And that's exactly what users have been waiting for. Another major upgrade expected in the Pixel 11 is the manufacturing process. The Tensor G6 could be built on TSMC's advanced Tandem node. This is a huge deal because smaller chip sizes usually mean better efficiency, less heat, and improved battery life. If this becomes reality, the Pixel 11 could finally solve one of the biggest complaints: poor battery performance. But performance is not just about speed. The Pixel 11 is also expected to bring better graphics. A new GPU design could make the Pixel 11 much more capable when it comes to gaming and graphics-heavy tasks. This means smoother gameplay, better visuals, and a more stable experience overall. For users who love mobile gaming, the Pixel 11 could feel like a completely different device compared to older Pixel models. And then comes one of the most important upgrades: the modem. Connectivity has been a weak point for Pixel phones in the past. Slow speeds, weaker signals, and inconsistent performance have affected the overall experience. But the Pixel 11 might fix this by switching to a MediaTek modem. This change could give the Pixel 11 better signal strength, faster internet speeds, and more reliable connectivity. All of these improvements together make the Pixel 11 one of the most exciting upcoming smartphones. Because for the first time, the Pixel 11 is not just about AI and software. The Pixel 11 is shaping up to be a complete flagship device that focuses equally on power, efficiency, and real-world performance. Meanwhile, competitors are still very strong. Samsung continues to push powerful Snapdragon chips in its Galaxy lineup, delivering excellent performance and battery life. Apple, on the other hand, remains a leader in mobile performance with its A-series chips, which are known for their speed and efficiency. So the Pixel 11 has a tough challenge ahead. But the difference this time is that the Pixel 11 finally has the right tools to compete. The combination of a new architecture, higher clock speeds, improved GPU, better efficiency, and a stronger modem could allow the Pixel 11 to close the gap. And if everything works as expected, the Pixel 11 might not just catch up, it could surprise everyone. That would be a huge moment for Google, because the Pixel 11 represents more than just another smartphone launch. The Pixel 11 represents a shift in strategy. It shows that Google is finally focusing on the basics that matter most to users: speed, battery life, and reliability. If the Pixel 11 delivers on these promises, it could change how people see Pixel phones. Instead of being known only for camera and AI, the Pixel 11 could become known as a true flagship that does everything well. And that's exactly what Pixel fans have been waiting for. A device that feels smart, powerful, and reliable at the same time. The Pixel 11 could be that device. Now the big question is, will the Pixel 11 live up to the hype, or will it fall short like previous generations? Only time will tell, but expectations are definitely higher than ever. Share thoughts in the comments below. Is the Pixel 11 finally the upgrade worth waiting for? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more latest tech updates.